Now these are some of the questions. Anil Nayar's way of solving highest common factor. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Logical way to solve HCF problems. Listen carefully, sir. Before we solve, first we will discuss the concept. Concept 1. Concept 1. See here. Suppose if I want LCM of 6 comma 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. So answer is directly 12. Directly 12. Similarly, LCM of 20 comma 60. 20 comma 60. 60 is a multiple of 20. So directly 60. This is for LCM. Similarly, highest common factor for 4 comma 20. In LCM we took the multiple. LCM is least common multiple. Multiple means it is a number which is largest among other numbers if all the others are factors. Multiple means we took the highest. HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means lowest. Factor means lowest. Multiple is highest. Multiple is highest. Take the lowest number. Does 4 divide 20? Yes. So HCF is 4. HCF is 4. Suppose HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF of 5 comma 30. HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. Factor for a number will come to the left side of the number. Multiple to a number come to the right side of that number. Factor means take the smallest value. 5. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Does 5 divide 30? Yes. Some more examples. HCF of 15, 30, 60, 120. 15, 30, 60, 120. I want HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Factor means take the lowest value. 15. Check whether this lowest value is a factor of every other number. 15 is a factor of 30. 15 is a factor of 60. 15 is a factor of 120. So answer is nothing but the lowest value. What we did it in LCM type 1, the same concept holds good in HCF. The only difference is in LCM I will take the largest value. In HCF I will take the smallest value. I will take the smallest value. For example, HCF of 20 comma 60 comma 120. Take the smallest value. Smallest value is 20. Does 20 divide 60? Yes. Does 20 divide 120? Yes. So answer is 20. I hope concept 1 of type 1 in LCM and type 1 in HCF both are similar. Now type 2. Type 2. This is type 1. This is type 1. Now type 2. Just listen to the class. You don't need to write, tell the answer anything. Type 2. Type 2. First we will do LCM. In LCM, what we did, LCM of 6 comma 9. First we checked whether 9 is a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. So what I did, I took the next multiple of 9, which is 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. So I wrote 18. Similarly, LCM of 15 comma 25. Yesterday in the first session, I have told you very clearly method 1, method 2, method 3 till method 6 of LCM. 15, 25. Largest number is 25. Is 25 divisible by 15? No. Because it is LCM. LCM is least common multiple. Take the multiples of the largest number. 25 2s are 50. 50 is not divisible by 15. 75. 75 is divisible by 15. So answer for this question is 75. I hope the idea is clear. This is for LCM. Now what we will do it for HCF? What we will do it for HCF? HCF of 15 comma 25. HCF of 15 comma 25. HCF of 15 comma 25. So the method is, take the smallest number. Is 15 a factor of 25? No, 15 is not a factor of 25. Because it is multiple, I took the multiples of 9. Because HCF comes from factor, take the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Take the highest factor, 5. Is 5 a factor of 25? Yes, answer is 5. I hope the idea is clear. HCF means we have to take the smallest number. Check whether smallest number is a factor of other numbers. If the smallest number is not a factor of other numbers, take the factors for the smallest number. Factors for 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Check with the next highest factor, 5. Does 5 divide 25? Yes. So answer for this question is 5. HCF of 21 comma 35 comma 56. HCF of 21 comma 35 comma 56. Lowest number is 21. Is 21 a factor of 35? No. Is 21 a factor of 56? No. Take the factors of 21. What are all the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. 21 is the number itself. What is the next number? Next number is 7. Next number is 7. Is 7 a factor of 35? Yes. Is 7 a factor of 56? Yes. So answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. I hope the idea is clear. In LCM, I will take the multiple of the largest number. I will take the multiple of the largest number. In HCF, I will take the factor of the lowest number. No difference, both are same. Factor of the lowest number. LCM, whatever we did it in method number 2, same method 2 can be used in HCF. LCM means multiple means largest number. If that largest number is not a multiple, take the multiples of the largest. In HCF, HCF means factor. Factor is the lowest number. If the lowest is not satisfying, take the factors of that lowest number. Take the factors of that lowest number. I hope this idea is clear. Now, let us solve one by one all these questions. 24, 60, 48, 108. Because it is HCF, what is the idea? Either the factor of lowest number. This is the logic. Factor of the lowest number. Factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 24. Check whether 24 is a factor of every number. 24 is not a factor of 60. So the next factor for 24 is 12. Does 12 divide 60? Yes. 12 5s are 60. 12 4s are 48. 12 9s are 108. So the first one answer is 12. I hope you got an idea. First one. Second question. Find the HCF of 8 comma 20 comma 28 comma 44. Take the factor of the lowest number. Lowest number is 8. Is 8 a factor of 20? No. Take the next factor of 8, which is 4. Check whether 4 is dividing every other number. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 4 11s are 44. Answer for the second question is 4. Answer for the second question is 4. I hope you got the idea. First and second. Third one. Third one. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Find the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. Take the lowest number. 30. Is 30 a factor of 42? No. Is 30 a factor of 135? No. Take the factors of 30. 15. Does 15 divide 42? No. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Because it is highest common factor, move from right to left. 15 is not possible. Next is 10. Is 10 a factor of 42? No, not possible. What is the next one? 6. Is 6 a factor of 42? Yes, 6 sevens are 42. 6 is it a factor of 135? No, 6 is not possible. 5, 6, is it 5 possible? 5 possible. 5, 6 are 30, 5 8s are 40. 5 is not possible. 3 14s are 42, 3 45s are 135. So answer for the third question is 3. What is the logic that we are using? HCF can also be determined as the factor of the lowest number. As the factor of the lowest number. Factor could be the highest, should be the highest value. Factor of the highest number. A very beautiful conceptual way of solving every problem in aptitude. 30, 42, 135. First over, second over, third over. Fourth one. Find the HCF of, write down in a serial order, 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15, 25, 100 and 120. 15 is not a factor of 25. Next factor is 5. 5 will divide 25. 5 5s are 5 20s are 100. 5 24s are 120. Answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope option D is clear to you. Option E. Find the HCF of 108, 288 and 360. Factor of the lowest number. 108. 108 is not a factor of 288. So the next factor is 36. 36. 36 8s are 288. 36 8s are 288. 36 10s are 360. It should divide every other number. So answer is 36. Answer is 36. Money, you are doing a mistake. If I take 15, 15 should be a factor of every number. Is 42 divisible by 15? No. So 15 is incorrect answer. I hope it is clear. A, B, C, D and E all are out. What if the numbers are large? F and G. I am increasing the level of the numbers. Increasing the level of numbers. HCF of 750, 6300, 18,900. Just for easier calculation, delete 1 0. Delete 1 0. Otherwise, you have to take the factors of 750, which is cumbersome. So this question became HCF of 75, 630 and 1890. What are the factors of 75? 25 is one factor of 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 500, 130, not possible. Next is 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 42s are 630. 15 1s are 15, 39, 15 2s are 30, 15 6s are 90. So 15 is the answer for this number. But I want the answer for 750. Another 0 is to be suffixed. Answer for this question is 150. 150. I hope it is clear, right? Now, Cherry, you asked a question. 108 factors are 254s are 227s are 3 9s are. So 108 can be written as 1 into 108. Next it is 2 into 54. Next it is 3 into 36. First I took 108. 54. 54 2s are 108. 54 288. It will not go in 288. So that is the reason I took 36. Cherry, I hope it is clear. Option F. A, B, C, D, E, F. How to solve HCF in a most logical way? Factor is the lowest number. Because it is the lowest number, take the factors of the lowest number. Option G. What if the numbers? I hope it is clear. I removed 1 0. I removed 1 0 and I condensed the number. Then I took the factors. Right? Option G. Find the HCF of 1365, 1560 and 1755. Take the smallest number 1365. Factorize the number. 5 2s are 10, 36. 5 7s are 35. This is 3. 3 91s are 273. 7 13s are 91. So the factors for 1365 is 5, 3, 7, 13. Highest is nothing but 13. Check with 13. 13 12s are 1560, divisible. 13 1s are 13, 45. 13 3s are 13 9, 65. 13 5s are 65. Answer for this question is 13. Answer for this question is 13. Beautiful logical way to solve highest common factor. None of the questions answer options are given. Answer options are not given. Answer options are not given. If answer options are not given, this is one way to solve the question. There are various ways we discussed in our class. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Point number 1. Point number 2. Answer can also be written as a lowest power of common prime basis. That I have not discussed. That is something I will discuss. First type today. Is it clear to each one of you?